Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
What's up, lifers? We got it sound like a farm out here today. The roosters raising heck, birds are raising heck. They over here with a mulcher next door. They over with a tractor on the other side. It's that time of year in Texas. Get out, enjoy the cool morning, do some work. Well, that's what we finna do. We finna plant the garden. I'm gonna start out. I'm gonna burn holes in all this black where I'm gonna plant plants. So then I'm gonna come back and plant them. Try to get it all done today. No promises. A bunch of it being time lapse. We'll go from there. Most of y'all know I'm having a rough time right now, so if I miss something, forget to say something, just ask. So, I need y'all to do a favor. Like I said, I've asked before, these videos, if you go somewhere and share it 20 times and show me that you've done it, I will put you on a drawing for something once a month. Everybody that does. Hell, well, nobody's done it now, so if one person shows me, they're gonna win this month, just about. But that'll help my channel grow. That'll help my views get up. That'll help the algorithm see me more. Just need, just need y'all to share it out. It'll thoroughly be appreciated. I appreciate everybody that likes and talks, leaves comments, and tells me what I'm doing wrong. I appreciate all that. Because a lot of this stuff I don't know. I'm flying by my seat. Nah, we finna get after it. That's my burn rig. Y'all go thank Lou and him for that. I've used it for everything. Haul dirt, haul feed, haul logs, everything. Now we're hauling a propane bottle. We can go down here with that weed burner, burning some holes. Alright.
Yeah. At least it's dry.
Alright, we've been planting some big boy maters. This is one of the few that I really didn't start, was tomatoes. But if y'all hadn't bought plants this year, don't. Don't. I don't even want to talk about what I paid for all these. I bought 4 flats or $20 a flat. There used to be 15 at the highest. We can get started.
This is just regular jalapenos.
Yeah, just jalapeno.
Hot pepper. Some of these are big boys and some of them are something else.
Celebrity. I won't make y'all watch all of that, me bending over and struggling. What I do, I put on time lapse. Y'all worried about me? I'm surrounded by friends and family. I'm alright. We got this shit going on now. We're gonna have some vegetables for sale before too long. For show. But putting peppers in, I don't know how many fucking peppers we got. It's probably a bunch because I still got some over here that I started. I'm out of fabric. I need another row. Alright, y'all. I'll bring y'all back when we get wrapped up. Y'all got the idea what's going on. Alright, lifers, we about got this done. We got to come in tomorrow. We're going to plant sweet corn and peas in the blank spot. And I got to buy about another flat of watermelons. Because between the last flat I bought and the ones I started from seed, I'm still a little bit short. So we're going to get all that going. And kind of busy the rest of the weekend. Anybody, well, y'all won't say this till after the fact. We're gonna have ginger services at Sugar Hill, Texas Cemetery. Been trying to get people directed out there. There's no address, it's just Sugar Hill Cemetery. Or the name of the cemetery, which I can't remember. I just always called it Sugar Hill Cemetery. But if y'all enjoyed this video, like, share, subscribe. I may be having y'all a fishing video coming. I don't know. I may not carry the cameras today. Just all how I feel. We'll get ready to go. But we're getting all the hard part done except for the hoeing I'm finna have to do. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe. You know, I couldn't do it without my brother and Buckner Cornbread, but we got it done finally.